Nobody told you that skipping a business plan was going to cost you, but it is. And today we are fixing that. I am going to walk you through exactly how to build a business plan that actually works for the kind of business you are building. A business plan is not something only big corporations need. For you, it is simply clarity on paper. It forces you to think through every part of your business before you start making expensive mistakes, and it answers the hard questions before the market answers them for you in a much more expensive way. Most businesses that fail do not fail because the owner was not talented or did not work hard enough. They fail because there was no clear plan, no defined direction, no understanding of who the customer is or how money is actually going to come in. Your business plan removes the guesswork. It gets you clear on what your business is and does, who your customer is and what they need, how your business will make money, what makes you different from your competition, and what your goals are and how to measure them. It also becomes essential if you ever apply for a business loan, seek investors, or bring on a partner, because most of those conversations start with, "Let me see your business plan. Now let's build it." Section 1 is your business overview, your business name, your structure, a plain and simple description of what your business does, your mission statement, and your vision. Your mission statement should follow this format. We help who, do, or achieve what so that why it matters. Keep it honest, simple, and focused on the person you serve. Section 2 is the problem and your solution. Every successful business solves a real problem, so get specific about the exact pain point your customer faces and how your business addresses it directly. Section 3 is your target customer. You cannot sell to everyone, and the more specific you are about who your customer is, the easier it becomes to find them, speak to them, and sell to them. Describe them in detail, their situation, their struggles, what they want, what they are afraid of, and what they need to hear to say yes. Section 4 is your offers, what you sell, who it is for, what is included, and what it costs. Be specific about what the customer actually gets, and please stop underpricing your work. Your price communicates your value, so price accordingly. Section 5 is your revenue model. How does your business actually make money? Set a specific revenue goal, work backwards to understand exactly what it takes to hit it, and know your expenses so you know your profit number. Section 6 is your marketing plan, where you will show up, what content you will create, how you will attract new customers, how you will convert them, and how you will follow up because most people do not buy the first time they encounter your offer. Section 7 is your competition. Know who else is serving your ideal customer, what they are doing well, where the gaps are, and what makes you different. That difference is your unique value proposition. Lead with it. Section 8 is your goals and milestones. Set short-term goals for the next 30 to 90 days, medium-term goals for 6 to 12 months, and long-term goals for where you want to be in 2 to 5 years. Make every goal specific and measurable. Not grow my audience, but grow my Instagram from 500 to 2,000 by the end of the year. Section 9 is your operations, the tools, systems, and processes that keep your business running, how many hours you can realistically dedicate, and whether you need support. And Section 10 is your financial plan, your startup costs, your monthly operating costs, your revenue projections, your break-even point, and your profit goal. And listen, a business plan is not something you write once and put in a drawer. It is a living document. Review it every quarter. Ask yourself what has changed and what needs to adjust, because the business owners who stay on track are not the ones with the perfect plan. They are the ones who keep coming back to it. She knows where she is going. She has a plan to get there. She is becoming her in business. If this helped you, save this video because you are going to come back to it. Share it with a friend who is out here building without a plan because she needs this too. And if you are ready to go deeper, the full business plan guide is inside the Digital Aura School community, where I walk you through every section step by step. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. Subscribe because every week I am dropping content to help you build your business the smart way. I will see you in the next one.